Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello, my beautiful souls in Poland. Today start the eclipse season. In a few minutes, 20 minutes, will be full moon, and after full moon, it's coming the first eclipse of this year, and then started the eclipse season. So if you have time or possibility, 7 before 8 will be the full moon. If you have 10 minutes in this time, then and try to meditate. Close your eyes. Imagine what you want because it's full moon, so it's full. Now it's done, and feel as if you when you have whatever it is when you have. This is the best one. I was thinking to make a traditional, so make a traditional spreading today. So it means I'm shuffling the card and asking the question what we want to answer for it, and then spread the card. Just no any other story or telling, only the lunar eclipse and the full moon, which came to my mind to worth it to mention, to be honest. So then let's start dive into it, how it looks like. It looks like that. What is the energy that my lovely color in Poland need in order to have a successful day? What is the energy that my lovely color in Poland need in order to have a successful day? What is the energy that my lovely color in Poland need in order to have a successful day? What is the energy that my lovely color in Poland need in order to have a successful day? And this is very good because for the subtitles I don't need to write too much, to be honest. Yeah, subtitles coming always English first, then Hungarian, then Polish. You need to click on a CC, it's a button, and you can choose your language, which is available, of course. And it's 14th of March. 14th of March to 14th. I was thinking, how many cards I need to count on 14th of March? 14th card. We need to count. Something is going on in this Friday. Seriously. So 14 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have the 14th card. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These actions help to the channel to come up on YouTube's algorithm and show up for others who are looking for answers, looking for direction if they are struggling in their life. Share this video with your friends who you know that is struggling. It could help him, her. Yeah. Okay, let's see what is the 14th card. Of course, this 14th card, whatever it is, it will be on my Instagram account. You can watch and read the description of this card because a lot of information is there. But let's see. What is the energy, the useful energy that my lovely color of Taki in Poland need in order to have a successful day? Knight of Pentacles. This guy is just like a farmer. He knows everything. How to plant, when to plant. It's full moon. Absolutely perfect for that full moon. You know, it's time to plant the seed to come up, to grow. So it's time for, think of it what you want, how you want, how no. And this is what we don't care about, what you want, what is the feeling when you have, how it looks like when you have, how do you feel when you have. And then you can start growing this plant that you're seeding today in 20 minutes, would say, because he's fighting for his dreams. I don't want to say the brand which bag is there, but because I didn't get money from them. However, they can offer absolutely uh, afford it to pay me, but they don't. And I don't have. Um, so he's planting these seeds because he knows what he wants. This is the reason that he's really a good farmer. So he knows where, how, which plants. It's important to him to know which plant he wants to plant, which plant he from which plant he wants profit. He doesn't want apple tree because he knows that there is no profit on that, so he probably will not plant apples, apple tree. But any other else which gives him a profit, he will do, believe me. So this is a creation card. Absolutely, this is a creation card. Get it? Know what you want. Create what you want. Just Lady Gaga singing about this abracadabra, which means in Hebrew abracadabra. I create. I create. When I speak, what you say, it's creating. The words has power. It's spelling, and he is doing this. He's doing this. Okay, so have a good creation day. Anything else? Anyone else has a question? If you have a question, then leave a comment and I will answer for it. Okay? Ça y est d'aujourd'hui. I wish you a very happy and creationful Friday. Yeah, it's Friday, Venus. It's enjoy your life. So yeah, it's coming. It's good. Find the joy in the creation. Yeah. So thank you for being with me. Have a lovely and creationful Friday. Merci. Belle journée. Au revoir. À demain.